cochlear implant imaging. Again, this is one of my favorite things which I'm sharing. The reason being that we have in Hinduja Hospital a largest series of cochlear implants done because of thanks to Dr. Kirtane, who is an ENT surgeon, and he's done the largest number of implants in India. And because of our ENT department, we have learned this. I mean, otherwise, these things don't come so often. And unfortunately, many places already a lot of temporal bone and cochlear imaging is being done, but we keep on repeating it because it is not done adequately. So if you can take home the message, what exactly sequences you should do and what you should look for, which will really help, because a lot of patients come from abroad to our hospital, but the imaging is not done adequately and the poor child has to again undergo a CT and MRI. Okay, so usually CT done is very good, but you need to see the data separately. Okay, you have to do a high resolution algorithm and zoom the image and see your reporting should be on the 0.625 millimeter, whichever the thinnest slide is available on your machine. You should look into those images, not on the reformatted images which the technicians provides. Okay, because the ear structures are so tiny. And especially in MRI, when we are doing the cochlear imaging, everybody knows this, that they will do this 3D T2 drive sequence, as it is called in Philips machine. It's called Fiesta, 3D Fiesta sequence in, I think, GE, and I don't know what Siemens calls it. So this sequence is available. But when you are doing this for the cochlear nerves, you have to run a separate sequence. Though it is a 3D sequence, don't try to reformat. Because the moment you reformat, I'll show you examples where the nerves will not be seen. And it is very important that the surgeon should know how thick or good is the nerve, because that will directly have an implication on the cochlear implant outcome. Okay, so these very basic things you should know, that try and do, it will just take another 10 minutes because the sequences are high resolution. So take oblique sequences both on the right and the left side separately, apart from the